Welcome to a quick unboxing of Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, one of the most anticipated phones this year. This is a 6GB RAM 128GB memory version. The phone comes in a typically Redmi box, quite similar to the retail box of Redmi 9 Power, which is this one. The flagship feature of this phone is the presence of a 108 megapixel camera, and that info is prominently notified twice in front of the box itself. That is the only difference between the Max version and the regular Pro version of the Redmi Note 10 series, so it makes sense to project it. Let me open the box now. Another flagship feature of this phone is the 120Hz screen, and it is an OLED one instead of an LCD one. I'll take the phone out now. The phone feels light in hand. The screen is glossy and a screen guard is pre-applied. There is a slight curvature on the back of the phone and there is a really big camera bump. Redmi calls this design Aura design and claims to be a premium design. In reality, it feels even more premium than the OnePlus 8T. The camera at the top is the 108 megapixel snapper. There are 3 more cameras on the back itself and a 16 megapixel camera on the front. The phone is protected on both sides with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. I will now switch the phone on. The power button doubles as the fingerprint sensor. We will see what else is in the box. This is the user guide. It is as minimal as it can get. There is also a protective case in the box. The back side of the box is like a frosted glass. The USB-C portion is covered with a plastic flap. Now I'll start the setup process. I'm not going to connect it to a Wi-Fi network. Otherwise it will take a long time for the setup to complete. I will skip through the setup very fast and get to the home screen quickly. This is the phone's home screen. It is clear that the screen guard which was pre-applied is not applied correctly and the edges are not aligned properly with the camera hole. The phone is quite responsive in the initial scrolling and swiping, but we will have to see how it responds when all the apps are installed. We will see what else is in the box. This is the charger. This charger supports multiple fast charging protocols up to 33 watts, which is the fast charging capacity of the phone also. This is the USB cable. It is a Type A to Type C cable, which is better than the Type C to Type C, as many laptops might not support it. Now the one thing that is left is the SIM tray ejector. It was attached to the cover. So this concludes the unboxing of a Redmi Note 10 Pro Max version. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.